Consistently present si Bossing Vic Soto sa mga school activities ng kanyang mga anak noon at ngayon. Tandang-tanda raw kasi ng anak niya kay Connie Reyes na si Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto that his dad always made sure he was present pag may school play siya no matter if his role was small. Magpahanggang ngayon, sa kaso ni Tali his daughter with Pauline Luna hindi pinalampas ni Bossing ang father and daughter activity sa paaralan nito. The TV host comedian joined other fathers in a dance number na itinanghal nila in front of their kids. Tali prepared a dance number herself. Minana nga ni Tali ang terpsichorean skills nang ina-aside from having a talent in singing. Obvious na habang nagpe-perform si Vic ay pinaglaanan niya ito ng panahon to rehearse. Humanga nga ang maraming netizens kay Bossing for finding time to take part in Tali's school activities considering na araw-araw siyang nag-host ng Itbulaga. Chika nga ni Pauline, kung kinakailangan niya'y uma-absent si Vic sa sa mga mahahalagang aktibidad ng anak sa eskwela. Hindi nakataka-taka kung present din si Vic once may mga ganoon ding school activity si Moki when she reaches her ate Tali's age. Pangako raw ni Vic, he'll always be present during his children's school activities, kung saan kabilang ang paglalaro ng games. Exercise din yun para kay Vic lalo't nag-e-endorse pa siya ng gamot to fight off muscle pain. Dance pa more, Bossing.